Hi, I'm Russ, one of the co-founders of VetCoin, and I want to take a few minutes to talk about what we mean when we talk about VetCoin and using to connect, enable, and transform veterans' lives. So these are the three things that we find to be the most critical and what we're passionate about here at VetCoin. And they're not mutually exclusive. Anything, they're mutually inclusive. And I'll talk about that as we go through each one. So what does it mean to connect? Well, in simple terms, connect just means we're bringing the community together. There's different components in the veteran community. There's veterans themselves. There's veterans' family members. The people aspect. That's a big piece of the veteran community. And then we have veteran entrepreneurs. These are veterans that got out of the military and decided they want to start their own business. They want to go into business for themselves, or they have a company, own a company, or they work for a company that's very veteran friendly. And then there are those that extend services. So maybe they're not selling a product through their business, but they have a service. And we want to bring all three of those things together, the entrepreneurs and the veterans, whether it's a business or a service. The other thing that we want to bring in is veteran-oriented nonprofits. So the system that exists right now, the VA, if you will, extends services to veterans, but there's a lot of gaps. And I think we're all familiar with the fact that there's a lot of challenges that face our veterans. So if we can use the community, if we can connect the community together, bring in those nonprofits, bring in the businesses, bring in the veterans, then we can create a much more cohesive ecosystem through which we're all mutually supportive of each other. So how does VetCoin do that? Well, simply we create a venue to do this. So we've got the VetCoin website, and within the website we've had the veteran-owned business portal. And within the veteran-owned business portal, we have a section for businesses, we have a section for services, and we have a section for nonprofits. So, and it's free. It's always going to be free. We're never going to charge a veteran-owned business any money whatsoever to list themselves in the portal. So take advantage of it. You own a business, list it. You provide a service, list it. You work with a veteran nonprofit, list it. Get everything you can into the portal, and that will become a resource that everybody can use to become better informed in what exists out there in the veteran system that VetCoin wants to help create through this forum. The other thing that we're doing is we're working on the Vetiverse. And the Vetiverse essentially is going to be a virtual version of everything that you could possibly experience in the real world, but in a virtual setting. You've probably heard and read great things about what the metaverse is going to be. Well, we're taking that one step further, and we're going to codify that. We're going to not isolate it, but we're going to kind of create a place where veterans can go, veteran friendly and veteran oriented. And through these things, through the Vetiverse, through the business portal, through the website, it's really about bringing everyone together into one place where veterans can help veterans, buy from veterans, sell to veterans, enable veterans. And I'll talk about that in the next video.